Welcome, traders, to another Tick Mill trading update with me, Patrick Munley. I want to take a look at some of the US mega cap tech. We've seen some corrective action, certainly in Nvidia over the past week or two. Looking at the daily chart here, there are a couple of areas that I'm paying close attention to. Any close through 130, I want to engage on the long side, and the next upside objective is going to be 150, 151. If we hold the current resistance into this 129 handle, we could see a three-way corrective move with an equality objective that would actually see us fill the gap here back down towards 105, 107. Again, that would be a gift in my mind, looking for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side. Same upside objective into that 150, 151 area. There is a very strong seasonal pattern that kicks in now between July 4th and mid to late August, which has historically seen the stock rise during that period over the last 10 years. So we also want to be mindful of that and try and take advantage of those seasonal pattern as well. So 130 or down to 105, 107 are key areas to look at long exposure, target 150, 151. Moving to Apple. Apple also has a pretty strong seasonal pattern now heading into the summer here, and we have some pretty decent upside objectives to play for. We've broken out of the bull flag now, so what I'd be looking for is a test into the volatility bands, volume weighted average price. We're looking at 3 and 2 standard deviations here. So I'd anticipate we could see some consolidation here. Any check back into using that prior high 220 as support. Again, bullish reversal patterns there. Want to engage on the long side. Next upside objective is going to be monthly projected range resistance at 240. And on the weekly time frame here, we also have this major trend channel, which would take us into the yearly R2 at 247. So some pretty decent upside targets to play for there in Apple. Wrap things up with Microsoft. And Microsoft is testing the equality objective on the weekly time frame that we talked about in the last update versus 308, looking at that 459. We closed 460. 77 last night. So what I've been looking for with Microsoft now is, again, some consolidation around the current levels. So any move up into the upper volatility bands, 470, I would look for some pullback from there to basically what I want to see ideally would be a test of this volume lows on the daily time frame here back into 450. If we get that, again, bullish reversal patterns there, engage on the long side. Our next upside objective is 488 to 491 on the weekly time frame. So using obviously the daily as our trigger chart for an entry, any pullbacks into that 450, 455 area want to be on the long side, targeting the 490s, late 490s, and potentially a tap of 500 there. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan. Most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.